Hi, my name is Jan Bojoro, and today I'm going to do the presentation of exercise 8, object-oriented software design of the game engine. So as usual, we have the different packages, the controller, the model, and the view. So let's start with the model packages and see. So we have the game data class, and in this package, we have the game figure class, the missile, the mouse pointer class, the shooter class, the soldier class, the text class, the UFO class, and two images that are right here. So let's continue with the view package where we have my canvas class, my window class. So the last package is the controller package with the input event class, the key event listener class, the main class, the mouse event listener class, the player input event queue.